Toto, and I wanted to talk to you guys about us. Let's talk about us and the genius that's Jordan Peele. If you're interested in watching my video and seeing this dark look that's inspired by the movie Us, then stay tuned. First, let me just say, I wanted to do this look. I could not wait. And I couldn't wait to put in my pre-order for the DVDs. Jordan Peele is great in that he comes from a comedic background. And we pretty much know him for like Comedy Central, where he did a show with his best friend, Key and Peele. And then he does work on Big Mouth, which is freaking hilarious. I don't know, if you watch like Big Mouth, let me know what's your favorite character, favorite scene, episode. It's funny, and I love that show. I could watch that show all day. I could sit down and watch the series all day. Like, I love that show. Actually, I'm thinking about dressing up as a character for our show. I'm thinking about doing Connie, the monstrous, the one that's like, I want to take a nice warm bubble bath. And you know what? I think these ears, they kind of remind me of her a little bit, right? At first, okay, I wore these because it kind of reminds me of like a rabbit a little bit. But now that I'm looking, they kind of look like Arthur, like the aardvark, or like DW. She's my favorite. Like, Shade Queen, she would torture Arthur like all the time. Okay, that's like another, that's my childhood. That's like another show. Let me just keep on topic. All right, honestly, I just can't wait to see what comes next after the movie Us. I look forward to all his work, you know. Yeah, speaking of which, I want to start organizing this workspace and getting ready for the next look. Alright, so let's begin with the foundation. I wanted to use Too Faced Born This Way in the color Sable. So let me get started with this. Okay, so this is how it looks on the back of my hand. Let me just find a flat foundation brush to use. Now that I have the foundation on, I'm going to set it with all over face powder. And I'm going to use a powder from MAC. It's like this. And it's called, I have no clue because the label is off, unfortunately. So, I don't know. We're just going to say it's a brown face powder. And I'll just use a brush. Okay, next I will emphasize the contour with indie brand. It's called Koyvoca, and the color Onyx with their contour stick. Okay, I'm moving on. I'm going to set that same contour with a bronzer. I saw this on the Plastics Boy's Instagram, and he was doing like I guess testing out different bronzers, and I found this beauty. It's called Chocolate Litty, app name. And yeah, it's a really nice dark brown color, but it's not too like, it has like some red to it, which is kind of perfect. Ooh. Oh wow, this is like super pigmented. Wow. This is definitely deepening the contour. Okay, so that's done. And I contoured my head. All right, it's coming together. It's really coming together. Okay, so now that's done. I'm like super contour, but let me just kind of clean it up. Okay, so that's done. Let's move it along. Okay, so now that's done. Let's begin with the eyes. And I'm gonna have to manually zoom on this. Okay, so there we go. Let me get some extra primer for my eyes. Whoa. I think I used a little bit too much. Okay. Okay. A little overzealous with the application. That's okay. Okay. All right. So let me start off with a brown base color. I'm going to use a brown cream color. It's going to be the contour stick that I used initially to deepen the contour on my cheeks. Okay, so I'm just going to use my finger actually. Let's see what I'm doing. I have to do this very slowly because your eyes are like super sensitive and I can feel everything on my eye. So I'm trying to just take my time. Okay, so I have that. And now let me set this with like a purplish brown color. I look beat up. Alright, moving along. I want to okay, that looks good. I want to do the top of my eyes, and I want to do like a wash of a red brown color so it could look kind of like bruised up. Ooh. Ooh. This looks nice. Wow. It's really, really deep. Alright, so I want to deepen the crease of my eye here. Yeah, I want to deepen this crease with a really, really dark color. So I'm going to use the same color that I used for the bottom of my eyes. So let me go back to that purple color. You know what? Let me use another brush. I don't like how that's looking. And I'm going to use a color from the Mented palette. Alright, and so sorry about my palette. I had dropped it during traveling, so it broke into a million pieces. That sounds good. Let me do this one. Okay, so last I want to give myself a more menacing look, and I'm going to do that by applying a kohl eyeliner, and my waterline is going to be super, super black. So I'm really feeling this look right now. Alright, so I'm going to use some of the same. I've been using this contour stick for pretty much the whole tutorial, and I'm going to continue. I'm going to use this, let's see where I have a lip, to color my lips. Ding dong. A glass of water. Alright, so this is my cosplay for us. I was about to say get out. But yeah, I'm super happy with how it all came out. I'm happy with my makeup. I'm happy with my clothing, the way I constructed the wig. I'm going to probably reuse this for Halloween, and I love how I did the scissors. I just like made the top portion, and this is the bottom portion of the scissors, and it's all painted gold and stuff. And I'm just really happy. I'm really happy. I scared a couple of people, a couple of my neighbors. I scared a few of my neighbors and some strangers. Yeah, but I really love this cosplay. It's like one of my favorites, and it's from one of my favorite directors, Jordan Peele. And I just don't know how his mind works. It's just, he's just him, and he's just in a class of his own, and I just look forward to his work. So with that being said, I wanted to end this and let you guys know I'm probably just gonna put up a random regular vlog or something, because I won't be filming for 2 weeks. Won't be here. Yeah, so just look forward to that. And yeah, I'm happy with what I did. So if you're into cosplay, or if you're into anime or anything like that, comics, I'm probably going to do a costume from one of those. So yeah, alright, so that's it. That's the end of my video. Until next time, bye.